Hey friend, so today we're doing a new mural. This one is a commission, so we're going to jump on the iPad and sketch something out. So the client wanted something for her daughter's play space. At the moment it's just a big grey brick wall and it's not that exciting. So she gave me a few ideas. She really loved the pink trees, a little girl swinging on a swing, and she's just left the rest up to me. So I'm going to have a quick draw and see what we can come up with. So I've already been to the site to get a photo of the wall, but usually I'll just get the client to send me a front-on clear photo that I can use for the concept design. So to get started, I'm just starting out with some loose shapes, and I'm just using a basic Procreate pencil to sketch out my shapes. Because we're not doing the full wall, I'm just going to be framing the design in a way that still looks appealing, but we're just using that small space. So I really like to use a lot of vibrant colors, and I think being able to show a rough kind of design of what the mural is going to look like gets the client really excited, and it's just a great way to be able to get an idea across. That's how I work anyway. Lots of different ways you can go about creating concept art. You can make it to look exactly like what you're going to paint, but the way I paint is a bit more intuitive, and I kind of like to make it up as I go. So the client got back to me and she loves the design. Because the wall is brick, we're going to have to use a primer, like an undercoat. So we're going to go pick some of that up, go to the studio, get some paint, and let's do it. God damn.
Thanks, mate. Have a good day.
And here we are. Got this cool little house. Alrighty, so here we are at the wall. Probably just going to start sketching out the design on here with some chalk. I get some rough shapes in, and then we're going to fill in the whole area with the primer paint that I picked up. That takes about 30 minutes to dry. Hopefully that dries in time. A little bit rainy out today. A couple of speckles of rain just dropped down, but I'm hoping that we can get some good painting time in today. Let's rock. Chalk sketch on. It's pretty rough just to get like a basic composition, so when I put this primer down I know I have some guides to go off. Pretty happy with all this section. I'm only going to be painting in these areas and then some trees to fill out that little section. So the wall is almost dry. I'm just filling in all the little cracks in the wall with a small roller just to get in all those little lines so they're filled and primed. So it's raining outside. I thought I was going to get a bit more done today, but rain came early, so I can't keep painting just yet. But lucky I'm in the van, we're just chilling, got some cover, so gonna make a coffee and just wait it out, I think. A little bit rained out yesterday, but that was all good. Still got a solid painting session in. So now I'm just at the studio working on my iPad. Something that I usually do is take a photo of the wall before I leave, and then in the morning I can work on it on my iPad with some fresh eyes. So that's what we're doing right now. Did a couple of changes to the design on my iPad this morning, but overall I'm really happy with it. I just want a nice, cool, tranquil feeling to this piece. I've only got a couple more things to do. Gonna add some clouds into this section here. Little girl hanging off the swing over here. This is for client's daughter, so it's just gonna be a fun little playful piece. So yeah, I'm gonna start drawing these clouds in, add a couple more details to the grass, and then should be good to go. There you go. I hope you learned something. Thanks so much for watching if you made it to the end of this video. Very happy with the end result. The client was stoked too, and that is always amazing. So if you liked the video, consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Much love. Peace.